So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Looks like the stylist will be doing a bob with this one. Wow, I really like the texture that the stylist created with this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now she can wear this in her natural curly wavy state or wear it a little bit straighter like the stylist is doing here with the blowout. But I love the effortlessness that this bob showcases. Such a fun style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So here we have another bob. This one ends around shoulder length, making it more of like a shoulder length bob or a lob haircut. Beautiful, and this is another great effortless style, so chic. Gorgeous transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all of the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful pixie cut. Now this particular pixie does feature lots of choppy layers. And one thing with this one is that you can spike it up and have more of that spiky texture going upward into more like a mohawk style, or you can position it down, slick it back. Just a lot of versatility with this particular cut. So many options that you can play around with. So next up we have someone who is going to be getting some color with their bob. Wow! He just brightened her up tremendously, gave her the face framing highlights. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful bright blonde color. So we have another blonde switch up. Very nice. Her hair looks so thick and full. Just beautiful. So we have a rather unique pixie haircut here. The stylist is really creating a unique shape through the nape. This to me looks like something that you would see on the runway, the cut and the color combination. Very unique. So next up we have someone rocking a lob. Oh, and she decided to switch it up with a shorter bob. Very nice. This really brings out her cheekbones. Very pretty. And it also just kind of showcases an effortless shape. Then we have someone with a beautiful pixie. This one features longer sideburns, which we're seeing a lot of these days. I think it just kind of adds to the overall structural look of the pixie. And then we have the pixie bob. Beautiful brunette hue. Slight wave added as well. Very cute. So here's another play on the pixie bob. This one features a gorgeous ginger brown color. Longer sideburns as well. And then we have a full hair transformation. Oh, beautiful layers and bangs were added and a color refresh. Absolutely stunning. Alright you guys, I hope you were inspired by today's hairstyles that were featured throughout the video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.